When we talk about spectacular enterprise features, web pages are one of the really cool features of DW Spectrum. What it allows you to do is bring a standard website into your DW Spectrum system. So we're going to add Cerritos traffic. And let's go ahead and add Google as well. So what this would allow you to do is to monitor website activity, whether it's traffic, certain things like that, but it will also allow you to see the cameras at the same time. So this could be a true command and control center situation to add a web page. Simply click, add the new web page. Okay. And now we have Disney.com in our Spectrum system. So this could be a web application. This could be the program that you're running. Keep in mind, though, that certain Flash, certain Adobe platforms, certain centric softwares that are required for the browser may not work in DW Spectrum. So give it a try, play around with it, but it's a very powerful and great tool for your Spectrum system.